Return YouTube dislike, brings back the dislikes on YouTube. It's pretty dope. So yeah, November 2021, YouTube removed the ability to see the number of dislikes, claiming that it prevents, dislike attach, which is stupid. I mean, for like 0.001% of the YouTube videos, that's possible, but to actually remove that feature just because of that is really sad. I mean, you should only remove that feature if a video has like millions of dislikes. But then again, it's like if someone's disliking it, they have a reason. I mean, at least 99% of the time, that's not the case. That they're just disliking it for no reason. I mean, probably happens, but yeah, I don't think so. I mean, like 99.9% of videos don't have this issue, but to give that feature just because of 0.001% of videos is so stupid. It's pretty cool though. I mean, it accesses the database and it shares the YouTube dislikes. That's pretty cool. Rocket for Instagram, say post and view stories anonymously on Instagram. So yeah, you got all these cool features right here for the Instagram app. That latest, also PPSSPP, the regular one, and this allows you to play PPSSPP games, PSP games on your iOS device. Change the tint color system wide and menu just like Mac OS. Supports iOS 13 and 14.8.1. YouTube Pro supports iOS 14. You just selected video to replace the real picture of the camera. Protect your privacy. How we do it, we saved the best for last. Well, actually, probably my second best. I think the favorite tweak, in my opinion, is lower install, but this is definitely this is also my favorite tweak. Well, favorite tweak on this list, but one of my top favorite tweaks if I actually could use it. And I'm saying that because it only supports iOS 14 to 14.8.1 and iOS 13, unfortunately. But yeah, this tweak is actually really cool. So what this tweak does is a perma-signed app installer to your jailbroken device. So it can be used to refresh the app registrations from Troll Store, and they're no longer valid because iOS has rebuilt the icon cache. So from what I'm understanding of this tweak or app, it allows you to pretty much I think it allows you to change or convert from IPA to a deb, which is pretty cool. But I think it allows you to sign or keep the apps installing your device even after, even if you're not jailbroken, which is pretty dope. So yeah, I mean, obviously if you're trying to download a tweak or something that involves jailbreaking or Cydia on a non-jailbroken device, it might install, but it's not going to work properly. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I mean, you can install apps, even if it's not signed, and still have use them on non-jailbroken status. That's pretty cool. And then convert, I think, IPAs to DIBs. That's also pretty cool. But like I said, you do need iOS 14 or above. I mean, that's just from what I understand from this tweak. I mean, it's pretty cool though. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, Opa334, this guy's an amazing developer. But credit goes to him. He's the developer this week. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.